everyone. In today's class, we are going to learn about long vowel I. Okay, so when I and E comes together, it will say its letter name. The first vowel will say its letter name. It is the clear rule we already know. Here, I and E comes together and E will remain silent. So what will be the sound of these two letters? This two letter will go only one sound. The sound is I. The sound is I. Let me read few IE sound words. It is also called vowel digraph. When two vowel comes together and gives one sound, it is called vowel digraph. Okay, so I and E is going to go only one sound. Let me try reading the sounds out. D sounds D, I, die, L, I, lie, P, I, pie. Now try reading all these three words on your own. Die, lie, pie, died, tried, cried. Here we didn't put any much effort. Just its blends and its or blends and vowel digraphs, then consonant sounds. Kr, I, id, cried. I and E is going to go only one sound. Tir, I, id, tried. That's how we have to remember the sound. Thank you.